It's absolutely great. Have had absolutely no problems with it over the years. Have spoken to them. It's like talking to family when you call over to Sunsetters, and I couldn't say enough about it.
My favorite thing about the Sunsetter is being able to get out here with company, sit out in the fresh air and not be in the direct sun, and it's another room for entertaining, and it's been beautiful.
This awning has made it so that we can eat breakfast out here, we can eat lunch out here. There's still a breeze going through. It doesn't limit anything but what you don't want, the heat.
Sunsetter also offers several easy payment options. When you call to order, your Sunsetter representative will give you all the details.
To receive your free awning coupon, a $200 savings, visit www.sunsetterdvd.com or call 800-753-3500 now. This is a special offer, so call today.